Good morning dear students. Once again welcome in history class. Today we will discuss the second chapter of class 9th about the Russian Revolution. How the Russian Revolution affected the whole Russian society and how the Russian people, yani ki how we have already studied about the French Revolution in the first chapter, ki how the French Revolution affected not only in France but also even Europe and Asia also affected due to the French Revolution. And French Revolution of 1789 stood for liberty, equality and fraternity. Then Europe and Asian people also affected. They were also thinking about if France people can change the society, then why don't we know? Why don't we? So it means today we will discuss about the socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. That is the second chapter of class 9th history. So firstly we will change the age of social change. We know very well, inspired by the French Revolution. French Revolution happened on which date and which year? 4 July 1789. By the French Revolution, new ideas about individual rights. Now people were thinking about their liberty. What do you mean by the liberty? Equality. What is the meaning of equality? And societal changes began to discuss in Europe and Asia also, not only in France, even whole Europe continent and Asia continent also affected due to the French Revolution. Now among that in the Russia, three groups emerged, yani they developed here. First, liberals, radicals and conservatives. How they were thinking about that, which ideas they gave. Today we will discuss about one by one. Liberals, who were the liberals? Liberals are a group of Russian society. Liberal क्या थे? Liberals are a group of Russian society which wanted to change Russia. Liberals wanted a nation, यानी कि which type of nation they want? Wanted a nation which tolerated all religion. It means they want to give the importance to all the religions in the nation and in the country. But they were opposed uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers. It means they were against the dynastic ruler. They were not in the favor of कि one people या dynastic ruler जो वंशानुगत जो परंपरा चली कि king is having all the powers in it, then कि they were against in the dynastic ruler. And they were in the favor of the elected parliamentary government. Elected parliamentary government का मतलब क्या कहना चाहते थे? They argued for a representatives, यानी कि elected parliamentary government. It means government chosen by the people, not a hereditary ruler. Yeah, we can say that a dynastic ruler. And after that they wanted to safeguard the rights of individual against government. It means they want to safeguard, and they want to protect the rights of the individual, because French Revolution gave the ideas liberty, equality. So they want to protect the rights of the individuals against government, यानी कि governments cannot snatch the rights anybody else. And they were not democrats. What is the meaning? मतलब they didn't accept the ideas, यानी कि they didn't believe in universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise, we can say that they were not democrats का मतलब because voting rights says they were in the favor कि voting rights to be propertied man, यानी कि who can cast vote here only those who are having the property, or they were opposed voting rights to women. So that's why they didn't believe in universal adult franchise. इसलिए वो किसके फेवर में नहीं थे? वैसे यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज का मतलब क्या होता है? वन पर्सन वन वोट वन वैल्यू. देयर शुड बी नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन मैन एंड वीमेन, but they were against. That's why they were not called democrats. Up to clear? What is the meaning of liberals? We can recall again. They wanted a nation. Which type of nation they want? Which tolerated all religions, यानी कि they want to give the importance to all the religions here. Second, they were opposed uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers, and they were in the favor of the elected parliamentary government. Which type of government they want here? Elected parliamentary government. And fourth, safeguard, यानी कि they want to protect the rights of individual rights against government, or they were not called democrats. Why? Because they want to give the voting rights to the property man. They don't were against oppose voting rights to women. Now second ideas, who were the second? Radicals. क्या थे radicals? It was another group of people. That was also the another group of people who wanted a change in the society of Russia. They wanted a nation, and they also wanted a which type of nation they want? In which government was based on majority of country's population. गवर्नमेंट तो बननी चाहिए, बट मेजोरिटी ऑफ कंट्रीज पॉपुलेशन, उस गवर्नमेंट में किसकी मेजोरिटी होना चाहिए, कंट्रीज पॉपुलेशन, नॉट ए डायनेस्टिक रूलर। सेकेंड, अपोज प्रिविलेजेस, अब प्रिविलेजेस मतलब स्पेशल राइट्स, अपोज दे वर अगेंस्ट ऑफ वेल्दी फैक्ट्री ओनर्स एंड लैंड ओनर्स, what they were showing कि they were opposed the privileges of great land owners and wealthy factory owners. They favored the dislike concentration of wealth in few hands, concentration मतलब होना एक हाथ में, they were not in the favor. They favored ownership of private property, private property के उसमें तो थे, but they were against concentrated of wealth in a few hands. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ गुने चुने लोगों के हाथ में ही पूरी प्रॉपर्टी आ जाए, प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी हो लेकिन सभी में इक्वली डिवाइडेड हो, यानी कि दे वर नॉट इन द फेवर, यानी कि दे डिसलाइक दैट आइडिया कि कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ वेल्थ इन ओनली फ्यू हैंड्स, ओनली जो सोसाइटी का 5% या 10% उन्हीं के हाथ में पूरी पावर हो। एंड दे वर कॉल्ड डेमोक्रेट्स, वाई, बिकॉज दे सपोर्टेड वीमेन सफ्रेगेट मूवमेंट, बिकॉज दे बिलीव इन द वोटिंग राइट्स टू वीमेन। ये किसके बिलीव करते थे कि वीमेन्स को भी क्या मिलना चाहिए, वोटिंग राइट्स। एंड थर्ड ग्रुप्स विच emerge here, conservatives groups. This group was against radicals and liberals, यानी कि that group was totally against to the liberals and radicals. Earlier in the starting, they opposed the ideas of changes. In the starting, they were not in the favor कि in the society some changes should be there. But later accepted some changes. But after that, that group accepted कि some changes should be there in the society. But believed in preserving and respecting past, but we shouldn't forget our past values and culture. We should also give the importance. We should change, but we should not forget our past cultures, values, जो भी हमारे traditions है, we shouldn't forget. They wanted change, but through slow process. They don't believe in any revolution. ये चाहते थे changes होने चाहिए society में, but through slow process. But these two groups, they wanted to change in the society, but in a fast process, यानी कि through a revolution. तो I hope students up to clear. We have discussed the 3 points, three groups, liberals, radicals and conservatives. Industrial society and social change, यानी कि when the industrial established here, तो the how the society changed, how the social changes came here in the Russia. New cities rose with the industrial revolutions. Men, women and children worked in factories. But what happened? When the industrialization developed, brought men, women and children to factories. यानी कि after the setting up of the factories, many men, women and children came here for the working purpose. But work hours often long and wages were very poor. यानी कि they were doing the long hours working. They were doing the work for a long time, but their wages, salary was very low. Unemployment was common. Why the unemployment was common? During which time, particularly during times of low demand for industrial goods. जब जो लो डिमांड, जो इंडस्ट्रियल गुड्स की डिमांड क्या हो जाती थी कुछ समय के लिए, लो, कम डिमांड में होना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वर्कर्स की क्या हो जाएगी, डिमांड कम होगी। वैन वर्कर्स की डिमांड कम होगी तो उससे क्या अराइज होगा वहाँ पर, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। तो यानी कि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट वॉज कॉमन देयर, पर्टिकुलरली during times of low demand for industrial goods. And how the housing and sanitation became the problem here, because when the factory set up, industrial set up here, so what happened, many people came from the village to the, and many people migrated from village to the city area, तो where towns were growing rapidly. तो इससे किसका विस्तार हुआ जल्दी से, टाउन्स का, शहरों का विकास हुआ। तो which were the main problems faced here, housing and sanitation problems were the main problems, since towns were growing very rapidly, यानी कि very fast. तो यानी कि how the industrial society and social change. But liberals and radicals search for solutions to these issues. We have discussed about the last paragraph कि liberals and radicals, they want to change the society quick through a revolution. और conservatives क्या थे, they were against both ideas. They want change in the society but through a slow process. यानी कि liberals and radicals search for solution to these issues, यानी कि they want to solve these problems. Now the coming of socialisms to Europe. Socialism as an idea attracted attention in Europe, यानी कि socialism idea को यूरोप को भी अटैक किया by mid 19th centuries, approximately in which century, mid 19th centuries. It opposed private property and supported collective social interest. यानी कि in the socialisms they were against the private property and they believe in the common यानी कि social interest, यानी कि property should be equally divided among the people. So in that idea what happened? Socialists were against private property. What they were thinking? Many socialists were emerged here. Among the most famous socialist here, Karl Marx. Socialists were against private property. They were thinking that the private property is as the root of all the social ills of that time. It means in the society that time, those problems they were facing that time due to the प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी, यानी कि समाज में जितनी भी बुराइयां हैं वो किसकी वजह से डेवलप हो रही हैं सोसाइटी में? जो लोगों के पास क्या है? प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी. प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी हो बट इट शुड बी इक्वली डिवाइडेड, नॉट इन कंसंट्रेशन इन द फ्यू हैंड्स. एंड कार्ल मार्क्स, द फेमस सोशलिस्ट, what gave the idea? Karl Marx. Industrial society was capitalist. According to the Karl Marx, industrial society क्या थी? Capitalist. Capitalist का meaning क्या है? कि those who are having the money and they invest these money in for setting up the factories, यानी उनके पास money है, but how they were using that money? For establishing the factories, and the profit of capitalist was produced by workers, but those profits capitalist is taking, who is producing? उनके लिए कौन करवा रहा है? Workers. But actually workers are taking the benefit? No, whole benefit who is taking? Capitalist. So it means who is having all the property? यानी कि property यानी कि concentration in the few hands, कुछ लोगों के हाथ में ही है. Clear? तो कार्ल मार्क्स क्या कहते थे? जो industrial society was capitalist, owned the capital. What is the meaning of capitalist? यानी कि they are having the own capital, own money. And what they are doing with the help of money? They are setting up factories, यानी कि they are establishing the factories, and the profit of capitalist was produced by workers. But जो वो profit ले रहे हैं वो उनको किसकी वजह से मिल रहा है? Workers को. But actually workers को कुछ benefit हो रहा है उससे? Nothing. Marx believes that to free themselves from capitalist exploitation. Marx believed that, Marx खुद believe करते थे किस बात में? That to free themselves, यानी कि workers can be free from themselves. How? From the capitalist exploitations. Workers had to construct a radically socialist society where all the property was socially controlled, यानी कि they can form their own society, or that society should be based on a socialist where all the property socially equally divided, यानी कि जो भी उनको प्रॉफिट हो वो क्या किया जाए? इक्वली डिवाइडेड किया जाए. और दिस वुड बी ए कम्युनिस्ट सोसाइटी. यानी कि कार्ल मार्क्स विच टाइप ऑफ सोसाइटी वांट टू एस्टेब्लिश द कम्युनिस्ट सोसाइटी. एंड फॉर दैट पर्पज मैनी वर्कर्स केम टुगेदर, दे फॉर्म्ड एसोसिएशन. एंड वर्कर्स इन इंग्लैंड एंड जर्मनी, they formed some association to spread ideas through Europe, led to the formation of Second International Association to workers like Social Democratic Party. और why they have formed the here association? यानी कि workers in England, especially in England and Germany, many workers came together. They formed one association. And for which purpose they formed the association? To fight for better living and working conditions, ताकि उनका रहने का जो जीवन स्तर है वो अच्छा बन सके. और वर्किंग कंडीशन, जो उनके वर्किंग आवर्स तो क्या थे वहाँ पे लॉन्ग थे, उनमें क्या है? सुधार हो. इन जर्मनी SPD यानी कि सोशल डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी इन जर्मनी, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द विच पार्टी दे हैव फॉर्म्ड द एसोसिएशन? सोशल डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी. आफ्टर दैट सोशल डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी win the parliamentary seat also, win parliamentary seats. For the inspiration, in 1905 socialist trade unions or socialist or trade unions, they also formed a labor party in Britain. यानी कि ब्रिटेन में कौन सी पार्टी बनी इससे इंस्पायर होकर? लेबर पार्टी. और सेम वे इन द फ्रांस, विच पार्टी फॉर्म? सोशलिस्ट पार्टी इन फ्रांस. So dear students, in that two paragraph we have discussed how industrial society and the social change ki in the Europe, Russia, how they affected. And after that we have discussed about the coming of socialism to Europe, कि socialism ideas कैसे आया यूरोप के अंदर. और according to that socialist, many socialists gave their ideas, but among the most famous given by the Karl Marx, According to that, socialists were against the private property. They saw that socialists, यानी कि जो भी समाज में बुराई है, is the root of all socialists of the time. So that's why they were against the private property. Or for that purpose, many workers came together. They formed association in England and Germany. Or in the Germany, which party helped? Social Democratic Party. After that, that party won the parliamentary seats also. And in Britain, which party formed here? Labour Party, with the help of, in 1905, socialists and trade unions formed. Or in the France, which party formed here? Socialist Party. Now we will discuss the Russian Revolution. The Russian Revolution. Now in the Russian Revolution, what happened here? We have seen in the last paragraph, many associations, many political parties or many groups emerge here. यानी कि they make a background for the Russian Revolution. So it means in the Russian, socialists took over the government in Russia through the October Revolution of 1917. यानी कि in the Russia, one revolution happened in which year? 1917. Or that revolution is also known as the October Revolution. And after that, who took over the government? Socialists. And after that, the fall of monarchy in February 1917. यानी कि इन द रशिया फॉल ऑफ मोनार्की, यानी कि मोनार्की सिस्टम कब खत्म हो गया वहाँ पर? इन February 1917. एंड द इवेंट्स ऑफ अक्टूबर, और जो इवेंट्स घटित हुआ जो अक्टूबर में, दैट इज नॉर्मली कॉल्ड द रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन. यानी कि रशिया के अंदर जो अक्टूबर में जो इंसिडेंट हुआ, उस इंसिडेंट को हम किस नाम से जानते हैं? रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन. बट बिफोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट बैकग्राउंड की हाउ द रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन स्टार्टेड, वी विल सी द रशियन एम्पायर. The Russian Empire in 1914. So that time who was ruling there? Tsar Nicholas II ruled in Russia in 1914, and that area nearby the Moscow. And which areas were including? That they were very large area, large territory, along with present day Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, parts of Poland, Ukraine and Belarus. These all the territories were the part of the Russian Empire. And it was stretched from Pacific Ocean to Central Asia, Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan. It means Moscow surrounded stretched by that area. These areas covered by the Russian Empire. And mainly which religions are here? Russian Orthodox Christian. That is mainly grown out from the Greek Orthodox Church. And along with the Russian Orthodox Christianity, which religion here? Catholics, Protestants, Muslims and Buddhism's religion also here. And now we will discuss about the economy and society. 85% of the Russian people were the agriculturists. It means they depend on the agriculture. How much percentage of people? 85% of the Russian economy was sustained by agriculture. और Russia was a major exporter of grain. खाली वो अपने लिए ही नहीं उगाते थे, इवन एक्सपोर्ट भी करते थे. वर्कर्स वर डिवाइडेड ऑन ए सोशल ग्रुप्स, यानी कि वर्कर्स वर डिवाइडेड मेनली टू टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रुप्स, सोशल ग्रुप्स या स्किल बेसिस वर्कर्स ऑल्सो. सोशल ग्रुप्स का मतलब बेसिकली फ्रॉम दे केम फ्रॉम विच विलेजेस, दे वर हैविंग द क्लोज रिलेशनशिप फ्रॉम पर्टिकुलर दैट विलेज दे केम, and they are having a social link also to each other. And after that, workers were divided on the basis of the skills also, according to the work, how they were doing. Despite divisions, यानी कि workers were divided on the basis of social and the skill work. After the divisions, workers did unite to strike work. पर जब strike होती थी, यानी कहीं पर काम रोकना होता था, तो तब सभी आकर क्या होते, एक साथ इकट्ठे हो जाते थे. These strikes took place frequently, और ये strike mainly कहाँ पर होती थी? टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज और मेटल इंडस्ट्रीज में. और फ्रीक्वेंटली प्राय ये स्ट्राइक कहाँ ज़्यादा होने लगी थी? टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज में. ड्यूरिंग विच ईयर? 1896 to 1907. और इन द मेटल इंडस्ट्रीज 1902. इन द कंट्री साइड, यानी कि इन द विलेजेस, पीजेंट्स का मतलब फार्मर्स, कल्टिवेटेड मोस्ट ऑफ द लैंड, बट दे वर हैविंग द small plots of land. Who is having large properties of land? Mainly here the nobility, the crown, it means rulers, and the Orthodox Church own large properties. Like in the French Revolution we have already seen who is having the most of the property? Nobility, and the church is also there, and the ruler also. Same here, nobility, the crown and the Orthodox Church own large property, यानी कि they are having the big plots of land. or peasants were having the small plots of land for cultivating the field, and peasants had no respect for nobility. Here peasants यानी कि farmers were not giving the respect to the noble people, nobility, and nobles got power and position through their services to the Tsar. Here in the Russia, how यानी कि how they got the popularity, noble people, because they giving services to the Tsar, यानी कि they are giving services to the ruler, not their popular for their locality. यानी कि ये नहीं कि वो peasants के लिए अच्छे काम करते, that's why they are famous here, no, because they services to the Tsar. In Russia, peasants मतलब farmers, the land of the nobles to be given to them. In this Russia, farmers what they want here, farmers कि nobles के पास जो land है वो क्या चाहते थे कि farmers को दे दी जाए ताकि farmers अपने हिसाब से खेती कर सके यहाँ पर. But in 1902 after that what happened, peasants refused to pay rent, यानी कि when noble people came in their villages for collecting the rent, so after that peasants farmers what they have started in 1902, they refused to pay rent कि we will not pay the rent, and even murdered landlords. Landlords मतलब those who are having the enough land, जिनके पास ज़्यादा लैंड थी उनको क्या करने लगे, फार्मर्स, मर्डर्स. इन 1905 सच इंसिडेंट टू प्लेस ऑल ओवर रशिया, यानी कि अब ऐसे इंसिडेंट पहले तो 1902 से हैपन होते होते कौन से ईयर तक पहुंच गए, 1905 में सच इंसिडेंट टू प्लेस ऑल ओवर, यानी कि ऑल ओवर पूरे रसिया में ऐसे इंसिडेंट यानी कि घटनाएं घटित होने लगी. एंड सोशलिज्म इन रशिया, यानी कि हाउ द सोशलिज्म केम इन रशिया. Before 1914, all political parties were illegal in Russia. Who is having all the power? Tsar. यानी कि ruler is having all the powers. He banned all the political parties. Before यानी कि 1914, all political parties were illegal, यानी कि not legally, not officially declared. But Russian Social Democratic Party, यानी कि SDSP party established here. What is the full form? Russian Social Democratic Party was founded in which year that party was founded? In 1898 by the socialist. According to the socialist क्या थे, socialist were they were saying कि private property, they were against the private property. What they were saying कि private property is they have saw कि that is the social ills of the time. जितनी भी social problems create हो रही हैं society में created to the private property. So it means they have founded in 1890 which party? Russian Social Democratic Party. By socialists who respected Karl Marx idea, or they have adopted which idea? Karl Marx idea. Karl Marx was a great socialist. As illegal organization, जो illegal organization थी before 1914 से पहले, अभी हमने फर्स्ट पहला लाइन में पढ़ा कि before 1914 all political that party was illegal, but as illegal organizations तो थी साथ में, but it set up newspapers, इसने अपने printing press start किए, इसमें लोगों की बात पहुंचाना शुरू किया illegal way में. एंड मोबिलाइज वर्कर, मोबिलाइज में ना कलेक्ट, एक जगह इकट्ठा किया वर्कर्स को, एंड ऑर्गेनाइज स्ट्राइक्स, उनके काम के लिए कि उनको कैसे अधिकार मिले उसके लिए स्ट्राइक करना शुरू किया. एंड ऑल्सो स्ट्रगल फॉर फ्रीडम्स, यानी कि दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस नॉट ओनली डूइंग द वर्क फॉर द वर्कर्स, दैट ऑल्सो डूइंग द वर्क फॉर द फार्मर्स ऑल्सो. राइट्स, और फार्मर्स के किस राइट्स के लिए? द पीजेंट्स राइट्स एंड डिमांडेड लैंड फ्रॉम लैंडलॉर्ड्स, ताकि पीजेंट्स को भी कुछ जमीन क्या कर दी जाए, लैंडलॉर्ड से दिलवा दी जाए. आफ्टर दैट 1898 आफ्टर दैट पार्टी वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड, बट 1903 दैट पार्टी वाज स्प्लिट का मतलब डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, बोल्शेविक एंड मेंशेविक. दैट पार्टी वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू हाउ मेनी ग्रुप्स? टू ग्रुप्स, बोल्शेविक्स एंड मेंशेविक्स. एंड बोल्शेविक्स हु लेड दैट पार्टी? लेनिन, और मेंशेविक मार्टो. एंड दैट पार्टी बिलीव्ड इन डिक्टेटरशिप्स ऑफ प्रोलिटरेट. प्रोलिटरेट का मतलब यहाँ पर किसकी गवर्नमेंट बने, किसकी डिक्टेटरशिप हो? वर्कर्स का रूल हो यहाँ पर. और मेंशेविक दे बिलीव्ड इन डेमोक्रेसी. डेमोक्रेसी में शुड बी ओपन फॉर ऑल द पीपल, यानी कि नॉट ओनली वर्कर्स, इवन फार्मर्स, पीजेंट्स, एवरी वर्कर, यानी कि ऑल द पीपल्स कम टूगेदर एंड दे कैन फॉर्म द पार्टी. बट बोल्शेविक्स बिलीव्ड इन द डिक्टेटरशिप ऑफ प्रोलिटरेट. प्रोलिटरेट मतलब ओनली हु विल रूल हियर? वर्कर्स पीपल विल रूल हियर. Discuss the causes of Russian Revolution, यानी कि what were the causes, यानी कि how the Russian Revolution occurred. Firstly, before that we will see Russo-Japanese War have occurred in 1904 to 1905, यानी कि रशिया और जापान में युद्ध हुआ, वॉर. एंड इन दैट वॉर हु वॉन? Japan and Russia got defeat. After that what happened in Russia? Prices of essential goods rose. Essential का मतलब जो जरूरी सामान था उसकी कीमतें क्या हो गई? हाई हो गई यहाँ पर. And workers demanded better conditions and rights. So here workers which they were demanded here कि their living conditions should be better and they want right also here. And after that what happened? Through the assembly, the dismissal of 4 members of the assembly of Russian workers called for an international action by the workers. यानी कि the dismissal of workers, 4 workers were dismissed that called for industrial action यानी कि they have started the strike. So over 1,10,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike in 1905. यानी कि कितने वर्कर्स ने मिलकर इनके खिलाफ, यानी कि 4 वर्कर्स को डिसमिस किया, उसके अगेंस्ट उन्होंने क्या लिया? इंडस्ट्रियल एक्शन, यानी कि दे हैव स्टार्टेड द स्ट्राइक. तो इन दैट स्ट्राइक हाउ मैनी वर्कर्स पार्टिसिपेटेड? 1,10,000. और वेयर दे हैव रीच? सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग. एट विच प्लेस? सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग went on strike in 1905. और which were they demanded here? Demanding a reductions in the working day to 8 hours. यानी कि जो उनका वर्किंग आवर्स है, जो पहले 12 hours 16 hours था, उसकी वजह कितना होना चाहिए? मैक्सिमम 8 hours. एंड इंक्रीज इन वेजेस, उनका जो वेतन था वो भी क्या था? स्मॉल था, कम था. तो व्हाट दे वर डिमांडिंग हियर? एन इंक्रीज इन वेजेस एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट इन वर्किंग कंडीशंस, यानी कि जो उनकी लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड है उसमें भी सुधार, और जहाँ पर वो काम कर रहे हैं वर्किंग, वो स्तर भी सुधरे वहाँ पर काम करने का. एंड इट मीन्स दैट when this procession led by, or then who is the main leader here in that workers? They have started the strike by Father Gapan. Reached the Winter Palace. Where they have reached? They have started the strike from here, St. Petersburg, or they reached the Winter Palace. It was attacked by the police. It means when 1,10,000 workers reached the Winter Palace, what happened here? Police attacked, and after that here over 100 workers were killed and 300 wounded. यानी कि 100 workers died, मर गए, और कितने घायल हो गए? approximately 300. This incident came to be known as Bloody Sunday in the world history. It started a series of events that later resulted in the 1905 revolution. यानी कि इस इंसिडेंट से क्या मान सकते हैं? जो रशिया के अंदर जो 1905 रिवोल्यूशन हुआ उसका क्या है? स्टार्टिंग माना जाता है. तो ये क्वेश्चन भी बनता है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द ब्लडी संडे? या राइट या डिस्क्राइब द ब्लडी संडे. तो यू विल राइट डाउन ऑल द पॉइंट्स हियर कि रूसो जापानीज वॉर occurred in 1904 to 1905 and that who defeat here? Russia. After that what happened? Prices of essential goods rose, or here workers what they have done? 4 workers were dismissed, and after that they have started the industrial actions, and over 1,10,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike in 1905, or they demanded here a reduction in the working day to 8 hours, an increase in wages and improvement in working conditions. Or that strike led by Father Gapan, or where they have reached? Winter Palace, but it was attacked by the police. Or in that how many workers killed? 100 workers were killed and 300 wounded, घायल हो गए. And this incident came to be known as the Bloody Sunday, or it was started a series of events that later resulted in the 1905 revolution. Now concession of jar. Now अब कंसेशन ऑफ जार का मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पर अब जार को कुछ बातें मानने के लिए एग्री होना पड़ा, तो दैट्स वाई जार ने क्या एक जारी किया? अक्टूबर मैनिफेस्टो. एंड ऑन दैट अक्टूबर मैनिफेस्टो ही मेकिंग ए प्लान कि वी वांट टू मेक हियर वन पार्लियामेंट, और व्हाट इज द नेम गिवन हियर? ड्यूमा. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द ड्यूमा. नाउ द ड्यूमा, व्हाई द ड्यूमा वाज इलेक्टेड बाय द जार? During the 1905 revolution, lawyers, doctors, engineers and other middle class workers established a union of unions. यानी कि they came all together, all the peoples, and what they have formed here? Union of unions. And what they demanded? They were demanded a constituent assembly should be there in our country. So after that Tsar formed a parliament, or what is the name given that parliament? The Duma. What do you mean by Duma? The Duma was a consultative parliament that was created on the permission of the Tsar. Who gave the permission for that parliament for making the Duma? Tsar. During the 1905 revolution, or on the basis, which basis they have formed? Because lawyers, doctors, engineers and middle class workers, they formed here union of unions, and all workers and other unions were declared illegal. Here all the other, again, because before 1914 we are saying all the political parties were illegal. Here again all workers and other unions were declared illegal, all the political parties were illegal here. तो फर्स्ट ड्यूमा वॉज, यानी कि फर्स्ट ड्यूमा यानी कि फर्स्ट पार्लियामेंट मेड, बट इट वॉज डिसमिस्ड इन 17 days. यानी कि व्हाट वर द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट, कि व्हाई द फर्स्ट पार्लियामेंट यानी कि फर्स्ट ड्यूमा dismissed in 75 days? Because the Tsar did not want any reductions in his power and anyone to question his authority. Why? Because जार नहीं चाहते थे जो उनकी पावर है उसका क्या हो, कम हो, या कोई उसकी अथॉरिटी के ऊपर जो उसकी पावर है उसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाए. एंड देन नेक्स्ट डूमा वॉज री इलेक्टेड विद इन 3 months. अगेन नेक्स्ट डूमा वॉज इलेक्टेड हाउ मेनी डेज, नॉट हाउ मेनी डेज, आफ्टर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स, आफ्टर 3 months. Then again that also dismissed. Soon third Duma was formed. यानी कि how much time the Duma was formed? 3 times. First times it was made, then dismissed into how many days? 75 days. What is the reason behind that? Because Tsar did not want to reduction his power and don't like anyone is questioning his authority. And next re-elected Duma in within how many months? 3 months. Soon third Duma was formed. But who included in the third Duma? Only conservative politicians, and liberals and radicals were kept out. यानी कि liberals and radicals, या we can say that revolutionaries, they were not included in the third Duma. Why? Because here they included only the conservative peoples. Why? Because conservative peoples, they want to change in the society but in a slow process, or liberals and radicals, they want to change the society through a revolution method. So that's why in the third Duma who formed with the help of conservative politicians. So we have discussed about the what do mean by the Duma. Dear students, we have discussed about the background, ki how that background started for the revolution of 1905. In the next video we will discuss about that 1905 revolution will be start into 2 phases, February revolution and October revolution. That we will discuss about in the next video one by one. Thank you.